Hey super people, wanna look here, the patty look nice, don't? Come keep watching, let me show you how I do my curry oxtail. I'm now putting on my blended seasoning, like my garlic and my onion and so well blend up in that. Now I'm adding some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm adding some black pepper, and guys, me take up browning. Totally forget say a curry me I do because of the first me I do curry. So I'm now adding my curry powder. I'm just adding one pot now. I'm going to burn some later. So now I'm mixing in the seasoning, rubbing it in, but me can't bother. It's just easier to just cover and shake, shake, shake. Quick time, everything combined and you're good to go. So you just cover that back and leave it to marinate for a bit. And now I'm adding some olive oil to my pot and let it hot. Now adding my oxtail, just putting it in, spread them out, let each piece kind of touch the bottom of the pan if I can. And guys, please remember to like, comment, share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I just pour in the seasoning from the meat and just cover it. I have not added any water. I totally forget to burn the curry before add in the meat just now, so I am burning this curry right here. Burn it and then I'm going to add it into the oxtail so that I can have enough curry on my meat. I've never done this before, but I made a mistake and I'm fixing it, and it worked well because my curry oxtail was off the chain. At the first me I do curry oxtail, and trust me, it won't be the last. So still not add no water in the pot yet. The meat just a cooking its own juices at this point, and I just keep stirring it, every 5 to 10 minutes or so. So check this out, all the liquid have dried out, basically dry out. So I don't want my meat to start burning, so I'm going to transfer it to the pressure so it can cook faster. I'm going to give this about 20 minutes or so. I put in the meat, then add a little water, a little bit, just enough to not to cover the meat. I'm going to close my pressure now and give it about 20 minutes. So the meat finished pressure now. I'm going to transfer it back into the small pot, and it is not totally soft because I'm going to be adding more stuff to it, and I don't want it to start fall off the bone. This is some Irish and sweet pepper and stuff like that. Them look niceness. Guys, we are almost there. Final leg, guys, just sink the Irish them, and that piece there, that piece was well soft, so I'm just put it on top because I don't want nothing mash up in my pot, and just cover that. As soon as the Irish and something cook, that's it, guys. See, look pan gravy, look how gravy just nice and thick. Come on, guys, tell me son, I don't want to eat this through the phone. May I tell you, brown stew oxtail now have nothing panda curry oxtail, yeah. This was so delicious. I may tell you, say the Father's Day dinner this, Very nice, guys. Just do some curry oxtail if you have not done it before, and let me know how it tastes. Come back in the comments, alright?